Hello students, how are you? Happy Ramadan for all. Today I will explain for you how you can add and subtract fractions when they have different denominator. Like every time, before we start, let's remind the previous lesson. At the previous lesson, we talked about how you can add the fraction when they have same denominator, and we have two homework number 9 and 13. Let's check together. From there we have 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8. So we said that when you need plus them or add them, we just add the numerator and we keep the denominator. From there 1 plus 3 equal 4, and we keep 8, right? 8. So we get 4 out of 8, and you can change it in a simple fraction by find the common factor between them. We have 2 and 4. We choose the greater factor. We divided the numerator and denominator by 4. So we get 4 divided 4 equal 1, and 8 divided 4 equal 2. Number 13, we have 5 over 8 minus 1 over 8. We just subtracted the numerator and we keep the denominator. 5 minus 1 equal 4, and keep 8, right? 8. We get 4 out of 8. Like the number 9, you change it to simple fraction by find the common factor between them. It's very easy. I'm sure we can get a correct answer. Well done for everyone. On this lesson we have this example. Let's solve together. Sarah bought 1/4 kilogram of coffee and Sirin bought 3/8 kilogram of coffee. What quantity of coffee did both Sarah and Sirin? So we have 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8. We find the addition. In the previous lesson we learned how you can find addition between two fractions when they have same denominator. But look at there, it's different. They have different denominator, so we can make them to the same denominator. We take this fraction, they have less and their number. Look at there, 4 it's less than 8, so we find an equivalent fraction for this fraction. How you can change 4 to 8? Which number I can multiply by 4? We get 8. We can multiply by 2. So when you multiply the denominator, you must be multiply the numerator also. 1 multiplied 2 equal 2, and 4 multiplied 2 equal 8. And you put this new fraction 2 over 8 from the place 1 over 8. Okay, from there we get two fractions. They have same denominator, so we can solve it. 2 plus 3 equal 5, and you keep 8 equal, you get 5 over 8. And when you find the difference between two fractions when they have different denominator, so also you can make them to the same denominator. Take this fraction, they have a less denominator, so find an equivalent fraction for this. 3 you must be changed to 6. How you can change? By multiply 3 multiply which number equal to 6? 3 multiply 2, so we must be multiply 2 by the numerator also. 2 multiply 2 equal 4, and 3 multiply 2 equal 6, and you put this fraction 4 over 6 to place the 2 over 3. Look at there, from there you have 2 over 3, and from there we put 4 over 6, and we find the difference. 5 minus 4 equal 1, and you keep 6, we get 1 over 6. Okay yours, let's do practice page 174. For the first time, please listen to me carefully. After that we can write on notebook mathematics. Okay, from number 1 and 2 3 we should find the add. Look at there, we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4, and we take 1 over 2 because 2 is less than 4, and we find equivalent fraction for this. We change 2 to 4, so 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4, and when you multiply the numerator, you must multiply the numerator also, and 1 multiplied 2 equal 2. We get 2 over 4, and we put 2 over 4 place 1 over 2. Okay, look at there, we put it there. So now from there it's easy for me. You can add 2 plus 1 equal 3, and we keep 4, we get 3 over 4. Look at number 2. We have 3 out of 10 plus 1 out of 5. They are different denominator, so we find the equivalent fraction for this fraction. We take 1 over 5 because 5 less than 10. So 5 by multiplied by which number you get 10? Multiplied by 2. When you multiply 5, you must multiply also 1. 1 multiplied 2 equal 2, and 5 multiplied 2 equal 10. So you have 2 over 10, and you you put 2 over 10 from place 1 over 5. We add there. From there we add 3 plus 2 equal 5, and you keep 10, you get 5 over 10. It is not simple fraction. We can't change to the simple fraction by dividing. We can find the common factor between them. We have 5 multiplied 5 divided by 5 equal 1, and 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Look at number 3. We have 1 over 6 plus 2 over 3. We take this fraction because 3 less than 6. It's easier for me, so we multiply them by 2, because 3 multiplied 2 equals 6. We get a same denominator, and we multiply 2 also by 2. We get 4 over 6. We put this new fraction from 2 over 3. We get it from place 2 over 3, and we add them. 1 plus 4 equals 5, and you keep 6. We get 5 over 6. We have more practice. Let's do it. 7 over 4 minus 1 over 2. From there also, like the addition, we take this fraction. It has the less denominator, so we multiply by 2, we get 4. Okay, when you multiply the denominator, you must multiply the numerator also. 1 multiplied 2 equal 2, and 2 multiplied 2 equal 4. So we get 2 over 4, and you put it in the place 1 over 2. We put there, we get 7 out of 4 minus 2 out of 4. So from there it's easy, you can solve them. 7 minus 2 equal 5, and you keep 4, you get 5 over 4. 5 is more than 4. You can change to mixed number by divided. So we divide 5 by 4. 5 divided by 4 equal 1, and 1 multiplied by 4 equal 4. 5 minus 4 equal 1. 1 it is whole number right there, and this one it is numerator, and 4 it is denominator. And look at the number 5. We have 5 out of 7 minus 3 out of 4. Also from there we take 5 over 7 because 7 is less than 4. It's easier to solve it. So you choose a number to multiply by 7, you get 14. You know that 7 multiplied 2 equal 14. And when you multiply the denominator, you must multiply the numerator also. 5 multiplied 2 equal 10. We get 10 over 14. So we put from the place 5 over 10. We put from there, we have 10 over 14 minus 3 over 14. 10 minus 3 equals 7, and we put 14. We get 7 over 40. and you can simplify this fraction by dividing 7. 7 divided 7 equal 1, and 40 divided 7 equal 2, because 2 multiply 7 equal 14. And we have number 6, 7 over 8 minus 1 over 2. Also from there we take this fraction, it has the smaller, or we can say less denominator, so we find the equivalent fraction for this. We multiply by 4, we get 8. Okay, we know that 2 multiply 4 equal 8. When you multiply 2, you must multiply 1 also. Okay, 1 multiply 4 equal 4, and 2 multiply 4 equal 8. We get 4 over 8. We put from the place 1 over 2 from there. Okay, and we subtract them. 7 minus 4, 3, and you keep 8, you get 3 over 8. We finished this lesson, and we have extra practice number 7 and 10. Please try to solve by yourself. See you. Good time for you.